guys, it's me, and today I'm going to be doing a homemade squishy update, number 2, I believe. So yeah, so I made a few squishies. I did post a few of them on Instagram, but I didn't post all of them. So, first, I have this, heart, kawaii heart. It's really cute. It's pretty squishy. And I put blue dots instead of, pink, which I thought would make it look cool. Then I have a few creamsicles that I made. 3, yeah. So this pink one. And I made this with the foam that Becca's Cafe gave me. So I have this pink one, then the filling. And then this purple one with the filling. And then this orange one. And this one's pretty squishy. And then the filling. And then I made this really cute BMO. It's not that slow rising or anything. And I haven't painted the sides and stuff. But yeah. Then this fin, which is really cute. Yeah. And then lastly, which is personally my favorite one, is this Hello Kitty and onigiri. It's pretty squishy. And then the back. I think this one is the cutest, but defects. So yeah, that's my homemade squishy update. I was kind of bored, so I just did this video. Yeah, comment down below on other video suggestions that I should do. Maybe videos that I should do when I'm bored or something. Yeah, but anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. See you guys later. Bye.